There are many reasons why anyone might want to lock up anything or anyone. It could be to protect the very thing you're locking up from the outside world, or vice versa. Did you know that you could lock Excel cells too? In this video, we're going to be talking about locking up your cells. Imagine working on an Excel sheet for days on end, then sharing it with someone else, and then they mess up your data. That's an office pantry fight you don't want to be a part of. Let's see how we can add protection to our sheets by locking up our cells. To start, we're going to be clicking on the arrow in the upper left corner of the worksheet to select all cells in the active worksheet. Right-click on any selected cell and click on Format Cells. In the Protection tab, we can see that the locked option is ticked. This basically means that if we were to go into the Review tab and turn on the Protect Sheet functionality, all the cells in this sheet would be locked. Going back, we know that by default, Excel sets all of these cells as locked. We're going to select the cells that we want to open for editing. Then, right-click, Format Cells, and in the Protection tab, we untick the locked option, then press OK. Our sheet isn't protected yet. We head over to the Review tab and click on Protect Sheet. Make sure that this option is ticked, which tells Excel that yes, you want Excel to do that, as well as edit the different stuff that you're allowing other people to do. You can enter a password if you want, but it's okay if you want to leave that blank too. Click OK, and there you have it. We can edit the cells that we opened up, and we can see that the formulas that we left in the locked cells continue to update and function. Whenever you try to edit a locked cell, you'll get an error message. You can unprotect your sheet anytime by going back into the Review tab and unprotecting your sheet. If you place the password, you're gonna have to enter that password in order to unprotect your sheet. This is a really convenient tool when working with spreadsheets that deal with delicate data. When working with Excel tables, sometimes there is a need to prevent cell editing. This is especially true for ranges that contain formulas or are referenced by other cells. After all, complex formulas are susceptible to errors when overwritten. Inclusivity is important in the workplace, yes, but exclusivity would be greatly appreciated by your spreadsheets. So, there you have it. If you found this video useful, make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to Simple Sheets for more Excel templates and tutorials. Be sure to also check out our templates at simplesheets.co for over 100 pre-built and smart templates. I'll see you guys on the next one.